There you go. What did he say? Is it shareable? What?
He said, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. I would mirror that sentiment. In this video, I want to show you how to really bring out those hair lights and the importance of framing your subjects. Let's dive in. My name is Pi, and I'm one of the founders of Lynn and Jersa Photography and SLRLounge.com. We're teaming up with Adorama to bring you a new series of photography tutorials called Master Your Craft right here on Adorama TV. So let's dive in. What's up guys, my name is Pi. Helping me out today, I have Mari and Courtney in our background right here. We're gonna link them up so you guys can follow them as well. And right now, what we're gonna do is just briefly talk about kind of subject positioning in reference to hair lights. We're shooting midday. Unfortunately, in the wintertime, midday in California, we still have a good directional light. So it's like noon right now, but at least we have some direction to the sun. And oftentimes when we're trying to utilize a backlight, we don't frame the subject over a background where we can really see it. I'm gonna show you what I mean, and I'm not saying that you guys would do this, but oftentimes I'll see images where we kind of take a shot of our subjects. I'm just gonna do this for an example, where they're sort of framed against a darker background. I'm sorry, against a lighter background. So when they're framed against a lighter background with a bright exposure, the hair light that's on them, it just completely disappears. So to emphasize our hair lights, what I really wanna do is get them into a place where my camera angle shoots them against a darker background. And we have that right here in these hedges. So I'm gonna show you the difference between those two with just making some simple adjustments. First, I'm gonna have, Mari, you're gonna do that stack pose. So just scoot Courtney in just a little bit more towards the hedge. And then I want you to stack right behind and then hold her hand right there. Perfect. And then Courtney, I'm gonna have you look down towards this side while Mari's kind of looking towards you. There it is. So now that we have them kind of set up, I'm gonna go ahead and just get my exposure real quick. And we're gonna shoot this at f1.4, 1/2000th, and ISO 100, just so I have a little bit of depth in my shot. So I do wanna see a little bit of separation between the background. And what I'm gonna do now is shoot them right against that hedge. This isn't gonna be the final image, but it is to show you just how big of a difference. So look at the hair light. You can even see it in the back of my camera. Look at this, how we can't see the hair light over this versus this second shot. It's just so emphasized. So that's really the main gist of this. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot another couple of images, but just make sure that when you are placing your subjects and getting your camera angle, if you really want that hair light to pop, place them against a darker background. Now, check it out, I'm gonna get a couple other shots here. All right guys, so I love where you're kind of looking towards each other, just like that, down and towards his side. Beautiful, just like that. And we're gonna kind of fill out the frame with this entire hedge. Beautiful. I might even see if I can step in. From this angle, as long as I keep them kind of against the city, we can still see the hair light. Beautiful, guys. From right there, Mari, whisper something soft and sweet into her ear. You know, sometimes my guys just say like really weird, creepy things with that. So I appreciate that, Mari. That's super cute. I love that. I'm gonna work to this angle and get a little close up. Now, Courtney, bring the chin down and eyes right at me. Chin down more, there. And Mari, stay on her right there. Now smile, look back towards him and laugh, kind of down towards this shoulder. There you go. What did he say? Is it shareable? What?
He said, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. I would mirror that sentiment. Perfect, guys, that's fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. You guys can like the video, comment below it to tell us what you guys want to see. Also, this is just a tiny excerpt from the Natural Light Engagement Photography course that we're about to release. So be sure to check that out, because in this course, we teach you just how to best utilize natural light with the tools that you already have. All you really need is a lens and a camera, and that's it. We're gonna teach you how to create all of these amazing images. You guys can find our premium content inside of SLRLoungeworkshops.com, and honestly, it is the best place for serious photographers to learn not only how to take incredible images, but how to run thriving, successful businesses. I'll see you guys in the next video.